दूसरे चरण की वोटिंग की प्रक्रिया सुबह 7 बजे से ही शुरू हो गई। मुख्य तौर पर आपको बता दें, कई राज्य हैं जहां पर वोटिंग की प्रक्रिया शुरू हो गई। दूसरे फेज में आज इलेक्शन हो रहा है। साथ ही साथ आपको बता दें कि केरल की बात यहां पर रहे थे, कर्नाटक की बात हो चुकी, केरल राज्य की बात बता रहे थे। और साथ ही साथ केरल की बात करते हुए आपको यहां पर बताएंगे कि जो की इश्यूज थे वो क्या है, कुछ उन पे मेन हम बात करेंगे। यहां पर हमारी सहयोगी दीपाली हमारे साथ जुड़ रही हैं, हमारे साथ बताने के लिए। दीपाली, निश्चित तौर पर अगर केरल की बात की जाए तो हालांकि उनका सीधा टकराव सेंटर से होता है कुछ चुनिंदा मुद्दों को लेकर। बहरहाल 2024 लोकसभा चुनाव में केरल की जनता के की इश्यूज अब तक क्या कुछ रहे हैं, वो अब किसे समझाएं।
बिल्कुल श्वेता, जैसा कि आपने कहा, people are the boss in a democracy and this is the world's largest democracy going for polls. चुनाव का पर्व हमारा शुरू हो गया है। 97 करोड़ टोटल वोटर्स हैं इस इलेक्शन में। दैट इज बिगर देन दी पॉपुलेशन विच इफ वी कंबाइन ऑफ यूरोपियन यूनियन, यूएस एज वेल एज रशिया। उससे भी बड़ी हमारी सिर्फ इलेक्टोरेट पॉपुलेशन है। केरला बीइंग अ क्रूशियल स्टेट, लेट्स सी व्हाट आर द की पोल इश्यूज दैट माइट or even might plague the sentiments of the people right now. So first key poll that we are seeing for Kerala here is that national allies are at war in the state. So India Bloc, which is the latest opposition bloc where several opposition parties have come together, but even have come together for the center, in the state of Kerala, they are at war. Now, for example, if we even talk about the high profile seat Wayanad, wahan pe BJP is fighting Rahul Gandhi, who is standing from the Congress seat, as well as CPIM and Niraja. Second key issue is center versus state over fund disbursal. This was the point which you were mentioning. Now, Kerala has moved, they have challenged the borrowing limit that was approved by the center, and this is an ongoing issue of funds disbursal that has been going between the center, the Narendra Modi-led government at the center, and the Pinarayi Vijayan-led government in Kerala. So that is one more issue that will that the voters will keep in mind, because that does create problems when it comes to ruling state. Then we have states anti-CA and NRC stand. Remember in December 2019, towards the end, that is the last day of the December, now Kerala became the first state in the entire nation to pass a resolution against Citizen Amendment Act. Now, the rules have been recently notified by the Home Minister of Citizen Amendment Act, but even Kerala became the first state to move Supreme Court to challenge CA. Then we have rising human-animal conflicts. This is again an ongoing issue. In this year itself, 9 deaths have been reported because of rising human-animal conflicts, especially because of elephant attacks. These are prevalent in Kerala. So that is one more issue that people of Kerala will keep in mind when they go for polls. And then we have the three-way contest between BJP, LDF, and UDF. Like I was mentioning in the beginning, even as India Bloc, they have come together for the center. In state, they are at war, LDF and the UDF, the Rahul Gandhi or the Gandhis and the Kharge leading a bloc, as well as Pinarayi Vijayan-led. Now, Kerala is the only major Indian state from where a BJP MP has never got elected. So BJP, of course, trying to making inroads with Prime Minister Modi focus at South especially. So these are some of the key poll issues that the voters will keep in mind, Shweta.
दीपाली, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए और सिलसिलेवार से ये तमाम जो पॉइंट्स हैं वो लोगों के सामने रखने के लिए। तो